This is Ron from Ron's RCN Drone channel, and today I have a new drone that just arrived over the weekend. It's from Snaptain. It's the SP660 4-axis drone. This drone has, let's see here, let's go over some of the features here. This has a voice control, photo and video, altitude hold hover, one key return, one key takeoff and landing. It's got the headless mode, 360 flips, an emergency stop button, trajectory flight, and it has a gestures mode for photos and videos. So this is quite full featured here. It's for ages 14 plus. This is it looks like it's a small brushless type drone. It's going to be a cold unboxing. Outside of cutting the tape off, I haven't done anything with it yet. And the back is just the usual choking hazards stuff on the back here. So let's get this thing unboxed. Okay, so it's a small, lightweight box. The box came, undamaged. It arrived from Amazon, and let's see here. It's got a nice little, carry handle, so you can say if you don't have a case, you can keep in this box. Take it to the field like this. So it's a piece of tape right here. I've cut it off already. So it's I thought I cut it off. Maybe I cut the other end off. Well, let's cut this end off too. Alrighty. And it says vision beyond imagination here. So it's going to be a good one, I think. Alrighty. So I'll get rid of the box at this point here. Get it off the table. So we have it kind of encased in this blister pack type material. So, here's the, get the lid off there. So it's very well packaged in here. And here is our instruction manual for the SP660 by Snaptain. It looks like it's quite a thick book here. Of course, it's probably got the instructions in a couple different languages, but, it's not too small. It's can actually read it without getting a magnifying glass out, so that's a good thing. So let's put this down for a second. Let's see. Here is the here's more stuff here. Here's other items here. One free product loyalty program. So Snaptain's a good toy drone company. The products are readily available on Amazon. You don't have to wait a month for them to arrive from China like you would if you order from Banggood or GearBest. So let's see if we can get this out without damaging anything. Now, there's kind of a sticker here on the drone itself. Let me pull the prop guards out here, I believe. Again, let me get my handy knife out here again. Alrighty. So there is the prop guards. You get, of course, 4 prop guards. Some people are fans of prop guards. If you've never flown before, or you have a young flyer, I recommend putting them on. You don't have to burn through your replacement props on the first day then. And look at this here. You get a pretty good sized battery for this thing. Now, let's take this out here. This is I expected your usual little mini toy battery here, but we got something good here. This is a 3.7 volt, 2000 amp, 7.4 battery here with looks like kind of a JST connector. I hope the camera's focusing on it. But look at the size of this battery. This is like a double battery. So that's good. May have nice flight time on this guy. So let's see here. It still looks like this thing's kind of encased here. So let's pull this piece of plastic off. Probably an important warning here. It says activate your 12-month free warranty now, and it's got a QC code to scan here. So how about that? When do you see a 12-month warranty on a toy drone? That's really impressive. So here's the actual drone itself. It's got some nice coloring on it there. Looks like that's your on-off button in the middle there. It's got your props here. This is a Sure brush motor. On the box, it looks like these things kind of light up here. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. And here is the battery compartment on the bottom here. Let's see if we can figure this out here. There we go. Oh, look at this. We get 2 batteries with the drone. There's one already in the compartment, and we get the second one. Very nice. 2 batteries for some good flight time. And it looks like the hatch is pretty well made. It contains the battery. So it's very lightweight. I don't think you're going to have to register this guy. There looks like an SD card slot in the back, so that's nice. It's not just a Wi-Fi only type drone. I don't remember seeing on the box that this had FPV, but hopefully it does. And here's our transmitter. Good size transmitter with like even a little handlebar on the bottom here. It's very impressive. And look at these nice grips on the back. So you get a good grip in the field, and sticks feel good. And here's your antennas here, and here's your it is a Wi-Fi FPV drone. There's your phone holder. You got a lanyard thing there, holder. Buttons are well marked here. There's your photo. There's your looks like your altitude hold, your automatic takeoff and land. Not just probably the one key to return home. You got stuff up here too. Here's your flip button here. Here's even a couple of rockers here. Oh, they don't move. Fake rocker buttons, but or wheels, but they must be there for another drone. I don't think they move. And this button here, not sure what this one does, but anyhow, everything's well marked there, so you'll be able to consult that manual and figure out. But pretty impressive for a pretty small drone. This transmitter that you get with it. And let's see what else is in the box here. Here is it's on the bottom here. Here is your the props here. You got extra props, and so you have full set of extra props, and you get different color props so you can figure out your orientation here. And here is your charger here, your standard USB type charging thing here. Sorry, let me cut this loose here. Maybe I can get this open. Maybe I can't. Alrighty, so this is look at this. You get 2 different USB chargers to charge these batteries, so you could charge your batteries simultaneously. So they get back up in the air faster. You get your typical little screwdriver there, and you get a it looks like you charge the remote controller. Doesn't take batteries. Yeah, here's a little charging port here. It looks like your standard kind of micro USB port there to regular USB. So how about that? You don't have to go out to the store and buy a bunch of AA batteries for this thing. You charge it up. So very nice, very very impressive. Now I don't know what the price of this is, but I will put a Amazon affiliate link in the video, of course. So you can go over and purchase this now. You can use my link, and remember, you have to, if you use my link and you throw it in your cart, you have to buy it within 24 hours, or the link won't count. So really, if you're going to use my link, just go ahead and buy it right then and there, or I probably won't get any credit for the sale. It's confusing how all those Amazon link stuff works, but again, I'll get the price. I'll have it on the screen, up here someplace like that, or down there, how much this actually costs on Amazon at the moment. But you can see the brush motor's there. So this is probably probably more than just an indoor flyer, but it's probably an outdoor flyer in kind of light to moderate wind. But we're gonna, we got a couple rainy days coming up ahead, so you may not see the flight video, for a couple days, or maybe towards the weekend when my weather clears out. Because right now it's extremely windy today, and I think the next 2 or 3 days the chance of rain here. So but we will get it outside as soon as possible and give it that test flight. And I didn't know if it had a camera, but yeah, well, I said Bread in the Box had camera video. So there's a camera in front, kind of hard to see, but it's kind of recessed there, so it's probably good for protection. But I kind of like the way this thing's built, and I'll say it again, I really like the fact that it's got that memory card slot, and I really like the fact that it came with 2 batteries. Plus, I mean, it looks like you're going to get some good long flights with these. I mean, by the size of this, like almost a double battery, I'm going to say you're probably going to get, like, I'm just guessing, but maybe, who knows, maybe like half the size battery. You'd probably get 7 or 8 minutes. You may get 15 minutes out of this guy or whatever. So it's going to be the most interesting part, to see the flight time, and of course, the camera. It's probably your typical. I'll check the specs out for the flight video, but it's your probably typical 2 megapixel or under camera. So it'd probably do 720p or 1080p. But at the 2 megapixels, it's going to be probably a odd frame rate and everything. So I wouldn't hold out much hopes that the video is anything special. But I bet you, this thing may fly good, but we'll hold off judgment until we actually get it out in the field and put it through its paces. So thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing of the Snaptain SP660. I know a lot of guys got it in just this weekend, so you're probably going to see a flood of unboxing and reviews on Amazon in the next week or so. But thanks for stopping by mine, and we'll be right back in the near future with that flight review. Okay, thanks for watching, and until next time.